Listening is definitely a skill we forget because our lives are so busy.
Tonight's going to be about how you listen. You're going to do an exercise that's going to shine a light on your listening blind spot.
I think the exercise we just did is exactly like real life. It's exactly like professional life. Half the time you're given instructions by someone and you don't really know why. You don't know what you're trying to achieve. You're given artificial deadlines. You're working with insufficient information and you're just trying to get a task done. And you don't take the time to really just pause and think carefully about what you're doing.
What I've got from today, of course, is that I'm not really hearing what is unsaid or not really hearing the deeper meaning behind what is said.
There's a huge amount I can apply from tonight's session with Oscar. The main one for me is just remembering those 4 villains of listening, because those villains pop up all the time with me.
By not listening, you actually make your leadership job harder because so many answers could be coming from your team. You're just not bothering to hear it.
I work in the sales organisation, and a big thing that we need to be careful of to be most effective is collaboration. It occurred to me that the listening as an enabler to that collaboration would be really beneficial. I think it's a thing that we don't focus on enough.
I'd love to get Oscar to our organisation to run this program or this activity we've done tonight, because I think it would be really impactful at an executive level and a board level.
If you'd like to make an impact beyond words for you, your team or your organisation, then I invite you to explore this unique, world-class and research-backed approach to making an impact beyond words.